let's dive into the pattern. Now I've drawn my line, and also my circle measures 3.5 centimeter. Okay, after you've drawn this, fold the circle, fold the paper on the long line that you drew earlier. So now from the tip of the circle, we're going to measure 2 centimeter. Okay, so now from that 2 centimeter, take a measurement of 1 centimeter and 3 centimeter along the same line, just like so. Okay, so now we will extend the line, measure like 13 to 14 centimeter, then extend the 1 centimeter and 3 centimeter measurement down. Now we will connect the lines first with our ruler, like so. Just connect it, and also connect the 1 centimeter measurement. So what we're going to do is, from this the 2 centimeter, just curve it to the 1 centimeter measurement. Also from this upper part, we will curve it a bit. So if you look closely, you see that it's crossed the bigger circle. Okay, so this is done. We are done with the first pattern. This is how it looks after I've cut everything. So let's get to the second part of it. So with our plain paper, draw a straight line like so. So now we'll take a measurement from the line, 6 centimeter. So just take it up and down, so that it can draw a straight line and it will be accurate. Okay, so now after connecting this line, we will take a measurement from the tip of the paper upward 8 centimeter. Then connect the dots with your ruler. So now after this, we'll take another measurement of 2 centimeter on this lower part of the line. So we are getting 2 centimeter from this end and also from this end, because we will cut out the center of it. So then from the line in the center, we are taking a measurement of 1 centimeter and draw a line across like so. And after this, we're taking another measurement of 2.5 centimeter, then another one of 2 centimeter. So now we're going to connect this and also this. Then what we are going to do is, from this end to measure 2.3 centimeter, then from this other end 2.3 centimeter. Okay, so connect it along this way. So this is what we have. So we're going to add kind of a lasting allowance, or sewing allowance, sorry, then 1 centimeter from this end, and then 1 centimeter from this other end. That's 1 centimeter kind of box. This will aid us to sew these two pieces together, okay, without it falling apart. Okay, so this is actually our sewing allowance. So we'll cut this into shape. Just watch as I do it. So cut the bigger lines like so, and from this end, just cut out the L shape kind of. Okay, that is the only way you are cutting out, not the smaller part of it. So this is how it looks like. So cut the other one and cut the center. So this is what we have, and you fix it this way. So I'm going to quickly transfer this pattern to my leader, cut it out, and show you how to fix the two together. Okay, so now I have cut out this and this, so fix it using where the T kind of meets as the guide. So we're going to line the two separately, sew here and here and also here only, then sew this part only. Okay, so I've sewn it, as you can see how I'm leaving the T part of it. So now we are going to connect this, let's say, together using that T where the T meets as the kind of guide. Then I will use my spaghetti to hold it in place while I sew. Then I'm going to just sew here to the end, then attach my T and start from here and sew it this way. So this is what we got after I've sewn everything. So now just use your sew and couple everything and your footwear is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe to my channel for more videos.